I'm Robert Gallagher. I work for Musgrave in our Northern Ireland branch. I look after wholesale and Drinks Inc. So as the warehouse and transport operations manager. I've been with Musgrave for 12 years. Musgrave is a company originally down in ROI. They started down in Cork importing, and they became the #1 retailer, wholesaler in ROI. They moved into Northern Ireland in the 90s and grew the wholesale and retail division up here as well. They feed 1 in every 4 mouths in the island of Ireland. So retail and wholesale split up by our super value centre brands. So we have over 600 stores and independent retailers in the south, and in the north we have over 200 independent retailers, and in the north we have Mace as well. And then in the wholesale we have upwards of 6,000 customers in ROI. That's pubs, restaurants, hotels, and in the north then we have over 2,000 of the same category of customers that we're servicing. We then have a network of cash and carries. In Northern Ireland we've opened that up to the public in the last year. Obviously in our line of work we have a lot of waste, food waste, and specifically from temperature related waste. Our vehicles could break down, things like that there. Now we have bits of technology in our network that we utilise for that, but meeting with the guys from Ulster University, they were able to offer us tracking ability on live temperatures, which would give notification of if the vehicle itself was gone out of temperature, and then we could act to reduce waste. We have van deliveries that we use for local multiple drops, 20 odd drops, where the doors are opening and closing multiple times. That's where our integrity is being lost from that. So we've targeted the vans to start with. It has that mobile technology then to measure the temperatures and then communicate to us what they are and when they're falling. So they'll be placed inside the vehicle. So there'll be parameters on it then, and when it drops below that, it'll send a text notification and to let us know we need to act on it.
We've been looking at the application of the Internet of Things and big data technologies in order to reduce food waste. And we felt it was a great opportunity for us within Ulster and the wider REAMIT project to link with a progressive, innovative local company in order to apply our technology, jointly evolve and develop that for the greater good of the project for food waste, but also to help the company achieve their ambitious targets around sustainability and food waste reduction.
There's a couple of ways that I'm expecting to see the results coming through. We do monthly sessions with our food service customers where we're asking their feedback on quality, and part of that is shelf life. Is shelf life being utilised to what's on the label? And this is where the integrity of the chill chain comes in. So we do have customers that come in and say, you know, there's an issue. The date says the 24th, but by the 23rd they weren't able to use that stock. So I'm hoping to see full lifespan being utilised through the integrity here, and also a reduction in our loss. You know, we do have very strict, tight cost controls in place because it's just the nature of the business we're in. So we do have very small margin of error that we can have on our costs, and this is one of the areas that we can reduce that. So I'd expect to see that dropping as well.